at the stars and hide. From Nairobi she can touch the sky. Princess of YouTube, she's on the rise.
Welcome to another vlog. So guys, on today's video I want us to do fridge restocking. I want us to do fridge restocking. So I'm stepping out. I want to go do some little shopping, and that will be all. So see you guys, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, hey guys, so we are back. Let me show you what I got very quickly. So the first thing that I got this pineapple juice. It's a Del Monte pineapple juice. The next thing, I have these 2 packets of milk, Brookside dairy milk. I also got milk, another milk, this one. I love taking milk, especially when it's cold, so that's why I got a lot. Then I have two Ribenas. I also have this. It's a vanilla. I love vanilla flavored. I have vanilla flavored. Then I have this Minute Maid. Please don't ask me why I'm restocking drinks only. Sour? Don't ask me why. I got this fresher yogurt. Normally, I like this fresher because it's thick, but I like it when doing what is it called? Fruit salad. I like using fresher yogurt. Sawa? Then I have this probiotic yogurt. I got 2 of them, and they are very sweet. Vanilla. So, me and vanilla. Then I have, this is maziwa lala, or either fermented milk. Normally I take it with ugali. I take it with ugali. Then I have this diluted juice, pineapple. Then we are done with the drinks. Then I have apples. I love apples, so I got these. I also got some nyama bites. I got 2 of them. 2 nyama bites. No, these are just for the fridge. I just bought it. We are done with that side. So here next, I have pardon me. So the next thing that I got these corianders. You see, and they are very fresh. So I got this, but this one I'm going to put it in the fridge. I was given that hack for storing. Let me get with foil. So see, they're already clean and they're already dry. So what I'll do, I'll just wrap them in a foil very well, and then I put it in the fridge. Okay? So that's it. The next thing that I got, I have these grapes. These are grapes, yes. Seedless. I'm a foodie. I got these 2 mangoes. I got 2 of them. I have what is it called? Gojet. Gojet. This is gojet. See. Those are gojet. Then I have a watermelon. have watermelon. Oh my god, it was not wrapped here very well. Let me try to wrap it well. So I got 2 of them, and they are very fresh, very fresh. I love fresh things. Then I got some carrots. I got some carrots. I got some carrots. Yo, oh, I had forgotten. I also got this milk. Me and maziwa. Then I have tomato paste, Santa Maria. I have mayonnaise. This is eggless. The one that I've been using before, it had eggs. I've never tried it this one. So Miri Bash told me to try this one. So I want to try this one out. So I had to get one. Yeah. Then these are just some, I restocked some tomatoes. I just restocked a little because I have nikona zingine. Then I have 2 lemons. What else? Then eggs. These are eggs. Guys, do you normally put your eggs in the fridge? Ama ni mimi tu? Huh? Is it okay to put eggs in the fridge? Because me I do both. It's either I do in the fridge ama upo kwingine. So ndo hizo, you have seen? Yes. Then the last one, I got these 2 snaps. I love snap a lot, and it's an apple flavor, so I got 2. Okay, yes, got 2. Yo, that's all about my fridge restock, guys. Yeah, that is all about my restock. Okay, my fridge was so empty, but that is it. Normally I've not restocked my freezer because I need cereals, but for the cereals I need to go and buy when they are not boiled. I boil them myself so that I can store them. Sawa? So for the veggies, personally I wash the veggies before storing them in the fridge. Sijui if you do that. Me, I store them. Sorry, I wash them, and then for drinks like this one, nazipanguza kwanza, and then I put them when they are clean. You know what I mean? You get what I mean? So let us wash them. The ones that need to be washed only. Alafu we arrange the fridge. Sawa?
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set
a cruise if you down. I might put her ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know, yeah, if you down. Love you cause I'm showing up with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what I want. If they try to put you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, is it lust if you down? I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put her ass on snooze if you down. Baby, we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know if you down. We gon' win all the awards cause if you down. Big couple goals if you down. When I attention, we go down if you down. Just let me know, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. You hold me down, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. Hold me down, Cause if you down, I can take you on